Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about testosterone. So let's start our topic with introduction. Testosterone is a primary male sex hormone that is responsible for development of male reproductive tissue, secondary sexual characteristics and overall physical and mental health. It plays a vital role in muscle growth, it plays a role in bone density, sperm production and sex drive. While it is predominantly associated with male, it is also present in females in smaller amount, where this hormone contributes to the reproductive health and bone strength. Discovery and nomenclature of testosterone. Testosterone was first identified in 1935 by scientists who successfully isolated it from testicular extracts. The name testosterone is derived from testes, that is the site of production of testosterone, and sterol as its chemical nature is steroid type, and ketone because its functional group in the molecule is ketone group. So the name is the testosterone. Chemical nature of testosterone. It is steroid hormone that is derived from the cholesterol and it is fat soluble, thus allow it to cross cell membrane easily. It is androgen hormone as it is male sex hormone. Site of secretion of testosterone. Testosterone is secreted by testes as there are Leydig cells that are primary producer in the males in that are present in the testes. It is also produced by ovaries that produce small amount of the testosterone and it is produced in females. It is also produced by adrenal cortex that produce minimal levels in both sexes like male sex and female sex. Regulation of secretion of testosterone. Testosterone secretion is regulated by hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. Hypothalamus release gonadotropin releasing hormone that act on anterior pituitary and its secrete luteinizing hormone that stimulate Leydig cell to produce testosterone that are present in the testes of male. Then there is negative feedback mechanism for testosterone as when high testosterone level is there, it inhibits gonadotropin releasing hormone and thus there is inhibition of secretion of luteinizing hormone and that's how it maintains the testosterone level, and that's the reason it is called as hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis because it involves all three things: hypothalamus, pituitary and gonads to produce the hormone that is testosterone. Mechanism of action of testosterone. Testosterone binds to androgen receptor in target cell, thus influencing DNA transcription and protein synthesis. In some tissue, it is converted into dihydrotestosterone, that is a more potent androgen, which amplify its effects. Physiological function of testosterone. First is reproductive function, as this hormone promotes the growth and functions of male reproductive organs like testes, prostate, and seminal vesicle. This hormone stimulates sperm production that is also called as spermatogenesis and it is essential for libido and sexual performance. Second physiological function of testosterone is development of secondary sexual characteristic as this hormone increases muscle mass and strength and also promote bone growth and density. It also stimulates facial and body hair growth and it deepens voice by enlarging the larynx. Third, we will talk about physiological function of testosterone in females. In females, it supports bone density and ovarian function. It also contributes to libido and muscle tone. And then we will talk about physiological function of testosterone in metabolism and mood, as this hormone regulates fat distribution and enhances mood, energy, and confidence. Clinical significance of testosterone. First, testosterone deficiency. In males, if there is deficiency, it can cause delayed puberty, infertility, erectile dysfunction, decreased muscle mass, fatigue, and osteoporosis. In female, if there is deficiency, it can reduce libido, it can cause fatigue and muscle weakness. And then we will talk about testosterone excess. It may lead to aggression, acne, infertility, liver problems, and heart diseases risk. In female, if there is excess testosterone, it can cause hirsutism, that is excessive hair growth, deepened voice, and menstrual irregulation. Diagnostic importance of testosterone. Blood tests measure testosterone level to diagnose hypogonadism, to diagnose infertility, to diagnose delayed or early puberty, to diagnose hormone related disorders. Therapeutic applications of testosterone. First, testosterone replacement therapy is used for men with low testosterone. Second, anabolic steroids that are synthetic testosterone derivatives that are used medically and illegally most of the time for muscle growth. Third application is gender affirmation therapy as testosterone is administered to transgender men for masculinization. Fourth application is osteoporosis treatment as this hormone helps maintain bone strength. Testosterone in age. Testosterone level naturally decline with age, often leading to reduced energy, muscle mass, libido, and bone density. This age-related decline is sometimes called as andropause. Conclusion of this lecture video. Testosterone is a crucial hormone for sexual development, reproductive health, and overall well-being in both males and females. Balanced, balanced testosterone levels are essential for physical strength, mental health, and quality of life, while imbalance can lead to significant health problems. And this was all about testosterone. Hopefully, you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.